Hello friends, welcome to testingshala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about what are some of the important programming languages you should learn to perform test automation in year 2020. The programming language is very important, especially when you are going to automate using scripting languages. And when you are writing your automation in a scripting languages, that means it has a capability of reusing it and it has a capabilities of programming it as well. So in that way, you can adapt and you can write the program or you can write an automation for any purposes. That is the important aspects if you are going to use programming languages in your automation. So I'm going to give you some of the important programming languages that is going to become handy when you're doing automation, when you're going to write your automation scripts using these programming languages. The first important programming language which is top of the world at this moment here is Python. Python is being widely used across development testing. I could see Python comes top and which is an open source. Because which is an open source, everybody is using this programming language these days, and it is being used for all automation journey because this programming language is a little easier compared to any other programming languages. Hence, I recommend this is the one programming language you should learn quickly so that you can adopt this scripting in your automation, in your test automation. The second most, the Python also being used across various technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. Hence, the more weightage is being given to Python these days. The second important programming languages is widely used in test automation area is Java. Java is being used especially in Selenium, right? People use Java to automate your unit tests. It is being used widely, and even Java is again an open source programming language, and this is also a widely old programming languages that is being used widely in test automation, such as even Selenium WebDrivers also being used by calling using these Java programs. Hence, I recommend the second programming language you should learn for test automation is Java. And another old programming language, which is a JavaScript, is also a third important programming language that is being widely used in the test automation area, which I do recommend if you want like to. The fourth important programming language I could see here is Microsoft, which is from C#, which is from Microsoft, and this is also one of the best programming languages which you can use to perform your test automation. Especially this will be done if you would like to use .NET framework and so on. The fifth important programming language I could see for test automation is Ruby Rails. The Ruby Rails is one of the best programming which is gaining a lot of traction in the automation world. And this Ruby also can be used in Selenium automation framework. I hope I'm able to give you a visualize some of the top best programming languages that are being used for test automation. I hope these programming languages would definitely help you to perform better test automation. I hope this video was very useful for you, that help you to identify the right test automation programming languages that would beneficial in bringing the good amount of test automation, and you can gain the good moment on test automation in your project. If you enjoyed, or if you like this video, definitely please like this video. If you would like to share with your friends or colleagues so that they will also get beneficial out of this video, then definitely do not forget to share. And if you have visited Testingshala YouTube channel for the first time, then do click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your knowledge in the software testing. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.